What's up, everybody? Everybody, what's up? Getting my GoPro together, putting it in the regular housing because I'm about to go out and get a quick workout. I'm gonna ride my bicycle to Center City, Philadelphia, and then back home. And I'm taking you guys with me. So stay tuned. I have to make sure I have everything, and I have to make sure all my things in order. So, checklist. Big white bright hat. Check. Bicycle helmet, check. Wallet, make sure you always have your ID in the bag, check. House keys, check. Helmet cam for the GoPro, check. Got that in there. Extra jacket thing in case I freeze my butt off, even though it's 40-something degrees outside. Check. DJI Mavic Pro, never leave home without it. Check. Cool ass Nike biker gloves. Check. Bam. And just make sure my bike is in order. Put some air in the tires. And I am ready to go. Are you serious? You gotta be shitting me. Yeah, I rode all the way down here to make a deposit, and I'm like, are you serious? I came all the way down here and it's not in service? I just want to make a deposit in my Capital One. I didn't bring my bike lock, I'm sorry. I didn't bring my, okay.
Yeah. It was, but they said it was like super successful.
Sick car, downtown Philly. SLK, I think it is. I'm not sure. It's crazy though. So I made it to the park. I made it all the way downtown. It was crazy fun. I got the object of me coming down here was to make a deposit in the bank, the Capital One. And I rode all the way down here, and it turned out that the ATMs in the lobby were out of service. Hold on. Let's see. Looked like I had something on my lens. So, after I got back, there was a sign in between both ATMs that said there was an ATM further inside that was in service. So I actually had to walk through the lobby with my bike, which is normally a no-no because they don't allow people to walk through the lobby with bikes, but they let me do it, and I came down here and I made my deposit. So I'm about to head back, but I decided to walk through this beautiful park in Philadelphia. You guys should check it out. It's definitely a nice park. People come here and they just relax and sit and chill. So I'm just gonna relax here for a little bit, enjoy the weather because it's not that bad at all. It's actually great weather out here. So if you guys ever get a chance to come to Philadelphia, you guys should definitely check out, I think this is called Rittenhouse Square.
So this is 4 miles here.
So if you guys are ever in Philadelphia, you should definitely check out Rittenhouse Park. Rittenhouse Square, rather. All right, time to ride back home. Epic biking adventure, guys. Epic biking adventure. We had a great time today. Look at my snug shirt. Get this thing out of my face. It's not even connected. This is my thing for my vlogging when I start vlogging. I gotta order my whatever that device is again because my order didn't go through Amazon. That was so weird. Anyway, I'm about to dump this footage, guys. I gotta get the footage out of this camera and the footage out of my GoPro and the footage out of my cell phone. I got a solid vlog for you guys. I'm gonna take my time and edit this one. Normally I well, I'm not gonna say normally I rush through it, but I'm gonna have fun with this edit. So you guys will probably enjoy this vlog. So I'm gonna do this. I'm going to take a shower. I'm gonna chill and watch a film, probably Netflix, and cook, and then make something for you guys that you guys have to check out. This next video I do is a game changer for everybody. Everybody who's uploading videos, everybody who's a YouTube content creator, you guys have to check out this next video I make because this information is going to be vital to your YouTube career. It's going to help you guys a whole lot. I promise you guys. It's going to change the game. As soon as you watch this video that I post next time, check, just trying to make sure my audio. As soon as you watch this next video I post, you guys are going to just subscribe. Do me a favor. If this video helps you, this next video I post, not this one, this next video I post, if this video helps you, leave a comment in the comment description of the video. It's not this video, but the next video I post. You guys are gonna see. It's basically how to increase your SEO, how to fix your SEO, how to shoot your SEO through the roof. Search engine optimization for those guys who don't know. I know there's a lot of videos on there, but I found something that's like really groundbreaking that you guys that want to be more searchable and want to get more views on your video and possibly more subscribers. But definitely, I guarantee 122% it's going to make you way more searchable and your SEO is going to go way up, and it's so freaking easy. But I'm going to make that video later on, and I'll probably save it for Monday or something like that. I'm not sure. So subscribe. A-Dubb. I'm out, guys. Tired. Got to get a shower and chill out. Thanks for joining me. Hope you enjoy this vlog. Peace out. Subscribe.
A-Dubb Productions. Turn that up. Twerk for me, shake your booty, girl.